What's the meaning of Arapaho? Arapaho. Arapaho.
Arapaho. Arapaho. Arapaho is a Native American tribe that primarily lived in the Great Plains region of North America. The name, Arapaho, is believed to derive from the Pawnee word for trader, or the ones who buy or trade for goods. This may refer to their historic role as middlemen between other tribes who traded with Spanish, French, and British fur traders. The Arapaho traditionally hunted bison and lived in teepees, but today many are involved in agriculture and other professions.